Okay, hey guys, so what happened to the project? Is it done already? We need to pass it tomorrow.
It's not finished yet. We have a bit of a problem.
What? Huh? What problem?
Well, our app was actually kind of okay, but until we experienced this strange behavior,
Uh huh.
it suddenly froze. It seems like there's external access happening. This isn't normal.
How did it happen?
It means there's a possibility that our app has a virus.
It's because that we found a downloadable setup file that came from the internet, but and we were supposed to set it up as our antivirus system, but we downloaded the wrong one. We thought it was legitimate since we double checked, but it wasn't.
So what now? Are we gonna restart our project or what?
No, not necessarily.
So what are we gonna do?
It's simple, right, guys?
Firstly, we need to reboot the app to refresh its system.
Then, I'll open our app's game manager file in the system folder and I should be able to see all the files that are installed. I need to find the fake antivirus file and here it is. I found it.
Then, we should delete the fake antivirus. After removing the fake antivirus, we will look for a new, trusted antivirus or a security app. We must be sure that it is legitimate and safe.
Then once we find a trusted one, that's when we'll install it, right? Is it fixing that really easy?
Yes, exactly. Once we find a legitimate one, we'll just download it. Then we'll just drag the new file to the system manager. Then we'll set it up and boom! Done.
Then, after that, we're gonna reboot the app and check if our antivirus is working.
Oh, that's brilliant! Oh my god, perfect. You guys are amazing. I didn't expect it to be that easy. Alright, so we fixed it. Yes, finally we're done.
Yeah, and next time we'll be more careful with downloads, okay?
Yeah, and we always need to double check the setup files. We can't just download anything.
That's true.
Yeah, you guys are great.
Yeah, that's
Awesome!
Awesome!
Success!
Damn me up, bro.
Alright, and because of that, we're going to celebrate. Anyone want McDonald's?
Game, but you're paying.
Yeah, sure thing.
Yes, indeed. A treat from our leader.
Yes! Let's go!